Hey, in this short tutorial I will show you how to get a Gryphon in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King, or also known as WoTLK, what level you need in order to ride it and also where you can find it. So that being said, for this bad boy you will need level 60, and this is the trainer. If we go to the filters and already known, I'll tell you also the price. You need level 60 and also it costs you about 225 gold, and also the cost for the Gryphon itself, it's about 45 gold each. You can choose between these. And also on the map, we are located in Hellfire Peninsula at Honorhold in the Outland. As a matter of fact, the next step is to fly in Northrend, and for this you'll need level at least 68. Make your way to Dalaran city, is located right here on the map. You can ask nicely a mage, and if you are level 68 you can speak to this lady and she sells this tome for about $1,000, and you need level 68. If you buy it and learn it, you'll be able to fly in Northrend. So that being said, I hope this tutorial helped you out, and thank you a lot for watching.